Hi everyone, this is Hasita from Crowd Vibes. So this software component is particularly built for the qualitative research to support the qualitative researchers who are analyzing the large text data, chat histories, open-ended questions, interviews, or videos. What this component does is it actually helps you categorize the reviews into different teams like the quality, service, or ambience, or a price, or overall experience. And also it supports sentiment analysis, like what is the sentiment out of the overall sentiment out of all the reviews, or each and every individual sentiments in individual reviews. Let's see how it works. So as you see, all this bunch of reviews goes here that already added into the system. This is about these reviews are about the restaurant and the food quality of that restaurant. And if you want to add an additional review, you can use add review option, and you can type it here and you can save it as new review. And if you want to analyze how the context, and if you want to cluster it further, then you can use a sentiment analyzer where we actually employ TiDB's vector search functionality. Let's see how it works. Click on the sentiment analyzer, and it opens up a pop-up window like this. And as you can see, this is a graph that we display the positive and negative sentiments. So here we can see sentiment becomes 0, and there are bunch of positive sentiments as well. Let me pick one of these by clicking on the graph, clicking on the node in on the graph. Then you see the similarities, the similar reviews for the selected one. So selected review goes here, and these are the bunch of similar reviews. And if you want to cluster this further, like if you want to see the similarities with the thematic clustering, so you can give, like, for example, food, let's say food quality, and you can search what are the similar reviews for the food. Like you can see food was good and value for money, and these are all the closer reviews that is representing the quality of the food. And if you type something like, if you want to cluster it based on the price, then you type in a price. Let's search, and as you can see, it's the other reviews that are related to money or a price of the food, like food was good and value for money, and spend just a few bucks also represent the money, and we immediately like the vibe, and food was absolutely worth for money. And then the rest of the reviews that are related to other areas or other sectors, other clusters, goes down below. So now let's try another one, ambience, for example, and search for that. You can see when it says ambience, the what are the similar reviews comes, like the restaurant had a modern, stylish design, and it's about ambience, and we immediately like the vibe in the place. And yeah, so it's about, you can see, like, it clusters based on the search cluster that is provided, and we employ the vector search functionality to for that.